bird on a tree. I'm just sitting here.
I'm adding into the Thermomix bowl 1 large room temperature egg yolk, a heaped teaspoon of Dijon mustard, a tablespoon of lemon juice, and a teaspoon of verjuice. You could substitute this for white wine vinegar or an extra teaspoon of lemon juice. Now I'm not going to select a time or temperature. I'm just going to put the speed on at number 4. And then with my neutral flavored oil, I am very slowly going to pour this onto the lid of the Thermomix. That oil is going to travel down through the tiny holes underneath the measuring cup and emulsify beautifully with that egg yolk. But remember, you need to pour slowly. If you go too fast, your mayonnaise will likely split. So I've used about half of the oil. The blade is still spinning. I'm taking off the measuring cup and I'm going to add the remainder of the oil a little bit faster this time. I like to take the measuring cup off so I can keep an eye on the consistency of the mayonnaise, adding a bit more oil if I think it's needed. Seasoning now with some salt and pepper. And I love to add a few dashes of Tabasco sauce, totally optional, of course. I've stopped the blades. Let's have a look at our mayo. Yum! I love the consistency of this, and of course the taste is amazing. But every time I still taste to make sure I've got the acidity correct and the salt and pepper correct. Yum! Here we go. Just look at this consistency. How absolutely wonderful is this mayonnaise?